Hi guys, hope we're all doing well. 12:20 of recording, so just have a quick look over the chart. 17th of April, last day of the week, and S&P at the moment looking pretty good, up 82 points. We pushed higher last night around 9:30, right on the close. How very timely. And we have stayed elevated near those highs for now. We gapped obviously on the open, so worth keeping an eye on these levels for those gap fill opportunities as the cash market once it opens. That may well be something that people consider, so just bear that in mind. Obviously talks of a vaccine being found helping to spur things on. Also, yesterday we defended that trend channel low yet again, and I can't tell you how similar this price action is to January 2019. It's just insane, absolutely insane. Look at that, fantastic. And hang on, look, pop above, and then we continue. So, are we out the woods? Well, maybe. I think if we finish the week above here, above 28.52, you've got to be bullish, and you'd expect a strong week. You'd expect a strong week to come. However, below there, then it starts getting back into this choppy range. I'd be happy to stay long as we stay above 27.50. There's the trend channel that obviously acts as a trend line now. So yeah, as long as we're above there, got to favour being bullish. However, the line in the sand, as you love me saying, 28.52 today. Those are the key points. Other levels of support, obviously where we pushed higher last night, was also a break of a trend line. Again, how timely. And maybe as well, you would argue a couple of the points around here. So a lot of support below where we're trading, but we need to finish above 28.52 for the bulls. This risk on price action has brought gold lower, and you can see what happened last night when we got the break of this trend line. Break, retest, lovely move lower down to the sort of target area you'd have on. However, we have just found a bit of support here, so keep a watch on that. We're coming into that quieter period, so I'd be waiting to see what happens. But in terms of levels to have marked up for gold, retest the trend line. I'd say 17.16 is good, and then this point around 16.95 as well, give or take a couple of cent or dollars, I should say, either way. So yeah, worth having that on as well. Nice little trend line break there as well. Oil, if you looked at your futures chart yesterday and saw sub $20, you're thinking, wow, how we move 560 pips? Well, it's the contract rollover, so it'd be an unusual day today, I would say, for oil price. I'm not really too sure, to be completely honest with you, direction of where it could go. It looks quite messy. I'd rather just wait for a bit more clarity next week. Levels I would have marked up, certainly to the upside, above $27, and I'm bullish. However, I would say, just putting this onto a 15-minute chart now, you can see the amount of support around these lows here, 25.36. Below there, you'd imagine there'd be a bit of a stop run down to what was yesterday's low on the June contract around here. So those would be the support points, or potential support points, that I'll be keeping an eye on. It'll be interesting to see what happens. The high that we just spiked to, yeah, lows from the morning. So those would be the levels to keep an eye on. 27 to the upside around the R1, just below that 26.31, 25.36 to the downside, and then 24.92 as well. Hope you all have a good rest of your Friday and a great weekend ahead.